I'll guide you through combining Starlink with a tethered iPhone on your Mac using Speedify. If you haven't already, power up your Starlink dish and make sure it's set up according to the manufacturer's instructions. This includes setting up your Starlink's Wi-Fi name and password with the Starlink app. Then click the Wi-Fi icon in the menu bar of your Mac. Select the Wi-Fi hotspot associated with your Starlink connection and enter the password to connect. Personal Hotspot lets you share the cellular data connection of your iPhone with other devices via Wi-Fi, USB, or even Bluetooth. On your iPhone, go to Settings and then Personal Hotspot and make sure that the switch next to Allow Others to Join is on. From this screen, you can verify the name of the iPhone, which will be used when connecting over Wi-Fi, as well as configure the password of the hotspot. If you don't see the option for Personal Hotspot, contact your carrier to make sure that tethering data is included with your plan. Connect your iPhone to your Mac with a USB cable. If you see an alert on your iPhone that says Trust this computer, tap Trust. You may also see a dialog that says Allow accessory to connect. If so, click Allow. Then, on your Mac, visit System Preferences, click Network, and then select iPhone USB from the list and click on the button that says Details. Uncheck the box next to Disable unless needed, and then hit OK. Last but not least, if you haven't already, download and install Speedify, either from our site at speedify.com or directly from the Mac App Store. Once running, Speedify will automatically detect all internet connections available to your device, including Wi-Fi, cellular, Ethernet, and satellite, and begin combining them for increased stability, speed, and security. If you want more control, Speedify also contains tools like priorities and rate limits to let you customize how and when your connections get used. Now, sometimes your available internet connections simply aren't fast or reliable enough for the task at hand, even when bonded together. What then? Well, Speedify has a powerful answer for that too. It's a feature called Pair and Share. With Pair and Share, you can easily share 4G and 5G cellular connections back and forth between multiple Speedify users on the same local network, securely, wirelessly, and automatically. The more people you pair with, the stronger and more resilient your internet becomes. And since it's part of Speedify's core architecture, it works cross-platform across all supported operating systems, including iOS, Android, Mac, Windows, and Linux, as well as OpenWRT and powered by Speedify routers. Whether you're at home, on the road, or working remotely, Speedify is the only VPN that makes your internet faster, more reliable, and more secure. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe for more internet tips and tricks.